Hi guys, it's Jade Bolden, and we are today is the 15th of January and I'm ready to start. So for those of you who are starting with me, here we go. So let's talk about the Cleanse and Restore program. So I'm going to show you here, this is the calendar. Maybe I can come closer to you. There we are. Okay, so the first 10 days, we're going to do the Activate, and in the next 10 days, we're going to do the Reset, and the last 10 days, we're going to do the Renew. So this is a 30-day cleanse program for those people who have the doTERRA oils and products, okay? This is a very effective cleansing program, and I'm really, really grateful for it. I've seen lots and lots of wonderful results with these, and I've been doing it every year. So about every 4 months, I do it again and again. So here we go again, okay? So if you're doing this with me, fantastic. I'm really grateful that you've joined me. So this here is something that you need to be disciplined and empowered about, okay? So we have the supplements, the Lifelong Vitality supplements. So today, you're gonna take 2 of each in the morning and 2 of each at night. So I've already taken mine. Okay, so this is the Lifelong Vitality supplements. I'm doing the vegan omega oil this time round. All right, so that's for your nutritional needs, okay? And we make sure you have 2 Terrazymes. These are enzymes. So you're doing 2 with every meal. So 2 in the morning, 2 at night, and during the day, okay? When you eat whatever meals you're eating, okay, at least. That's why we need 2. All right, so now you're doing the Zendocrine, okay? So you can take 1 Zendocrine, let's see, in the morning and 1 at night. And you can do this Zendocrine soft gel too. If you don't have a Zendocrine soft gel and you have the Zendocrine oil, you can use a vegetable capsule and put maybe 2 or 3 drops of each in the veggie capsules, okay? And there you have your Zendocrine soft gel, okay? The other thing too is lemon oil. So make sure you put a couple of drops of lemon oil in water, and make sure you're drinking out of glass or very, very high quality stainless steel, okay? So drink that throughout the day because it will help you flush the toxins out, okay? So you can use any type of glass you want, a glass drinking bottle, okay? And any type of, stainless steel drinking bottles. My kids have these cute ones, okay? You can put this in your purse and carry it around if you're not going out all day. You just want something to be there. And you'll be sipping it throughout the day, all right? So we're going to be urinating more. We're going to be going to the bathroom more. It's just gonna help us start the cleansing process. These other products, okay, your GX Assist, PB Assist, and your DDR Prime, just leave it aside, okay, for now, and we'll do those later on. I printed out the chart. So if you want this chart, go to my website, jadebolden.com/cleanse, okay, and print out this chart, and then you can check the boxes of the things that you've taken today, okay? And if you want daily email reminders, go to my website and put your name in the box for daily email reminders. So I'll email you what we're supposed to do each day, okay? So I did mine this morning. So that's good, all right? So I just want to tell you about the different foods as well. I'll explain more later on, but basically you don't want to be feeding the candida fungus inside of your body. You don't want to add sugar or wheat or corn, okay? So avoid those things, soy and dairy, okay? So just avoid those as much as you can. Not so much if you have like the grass-fed cow milk or cheese or anything, but just less of those if you can, all right? I will make a separate video about that. We have the doTERRA protein shakes that have just come out, and they're wonderful for meal replacements, right? So I'll have a live on that later on. What else? Okay, so this is a very thorough, high quality cleansing program. It's simple, but it takes dedication. So for me, I encourage you to find the reasons why you want to do this, okay? So maybe make a poster somewhere and put it up on your bathroom mirror or on your kitchen refrigerator or something, why you want to do this, okay? So it has to be beyond looking good and looking healthy, okay? Because sometimes that's not motivating enough, all right? For me, I want to have a clean body, and that means my brain is going to be clearer, and my ability, my intuition will be more honed. So I can hear God better. I can act on inspiration better. I can be more empowered. And that will be a good example for my children. So a happy mum, a happy wife makes a happy life, right? I can choose better, basically, and I can serve God better when I'm healthy. Okay, so if I'm unhealthy and I'm tired, I'm grumpy all the time, I can't serve anybody. So it's very important for me to be diligent and go through this program and, you know, see the purpose, the real purpose, okay, of why I'm doing this. And it makes it easier. So sometimes people, they have a myopic view of what they're doing, and they'll complain about, oh, there's so many, you know, pills, or I keep forgetting, you know. So make it really easy for you by putting these products where you will see it. Okay, add it to a habit that you already have. So if you have, you know, if you wake up and you drink water, well, might as well put that, you know, near your bedside. Or if you, you know, eat breakfast in the morning, some people don't, okay, if you put it in your kitchen where you're preparing breakfast, it'll help you remember to take it. Okay, however you do it, remember, and do it consistently, okay, and the rewards are amazing. So you know, if somebody told me that, you know, over a decade ago, that if I just take supplements and do cleansing, that my body will be younger, healthier, I'll be happier, you know, I would have given it anything for that. But this is a way for us to be empowered, okay? I know that it's hard to be empowered and proactive sometimes if you haven't been used to it, but this is very important, okay? It'll help your family, and you know, when you and your family are happier, it'll help with this community at large. So my friends, I encourage you to start, and now we're going to do this together. So I'll post and I'll do live videos to help encourage you to keep going. But this is a wonderful opportunity, very inexpensive, and the benefits far outweigh any efforts we expend. So if you have any questions, please just comment below. Please share this with your friends. Get your friends to do it with you too. And you know, it'll just be raising the boat together. Okay, so this is how we contribute to the world, by, you know, healing and clearing ourselves. Okay, so we have healthy cells, makes healthy tissues, and healthy tissues make healthy organs, and then healthy organs make a healthy you, right? So I think that's about it. The other thing too is think more positively, okay? So if you can let go of the negative things, your body will let go of the toxins and the bacteria, fungus, and parasites within you. Okay, so if you start letting things go, think more positively, the cleanse will go much better. Note, if you've had lots of illness before, if you've on lots and lots of medications, and this is your very, very first time, I would recommend that you extend this 30-day cleanse to 60 days. Okay, so you kind of cut everything in half and do just half dose of everything, okay, as you ease yourself into it. And of course, when you release toxins, your body's going to have this discomfort. So it's a natural thing because you have toxins in your bloodstream, and that's why you drink lemon oil and water to flush it out, okay? Because our cells hold on to those toxins. So I think that's about it. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to talking to you next time in other videos. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.